makeup products to achieve a flawless and professional look for beginners. Number one on my list is micellar water. You need it. You can get any micellar water of your choice, any brand of your choice, and just get the one you can afford. It helps remove dirty particles on your face, because when you make use of it, you realize that even after coming out from the bathroom, when you clean your face, you still see dirty particles all over the cotton wool. So number two, you'll be going in with this. Okay, this is moisturizer. You can get any brand of your choice, but I use this. I got this for 3,000 naira. And after moisturizer, you go in with a face primer. I use this Sylvie Mac face primer. You need a face primer before applying foundation on your face. Yes, you just don't go in with the foundation. Make sure, even if you don't apply a moisturizer, make sure you apply a face primer. Okay, like this does jobs at the same time. This is in one. Sweat cage, two, pore invisible mattifying, two. You can go in with your foundation. Yes. Okay, this is quite affordable for me and it does the work. This is V Beauty. It does the work for me, really. It does the work. So this is total coverage matte made, okay, foundation, V Beauty. I really love this foundation. I love this foundation a lot. Love it. I got this for 4,500 naira. After the foundation, you go in with your concealer. Yes, this is Zickel concealer second skin. I got this for 3,000 naira. And after that, you can then apply your setting powder. Yes, this is translucent. Can you see it? It's white in color. Don't know if you can see it. It's blot product. Don't know if you can see it. This is translucent, and this is also this one is yellow in color. Yeah, you can get any one or you can still get the two. Then you set your whole face. Set your whole face with this. This is flawless ivy. This is 6 in 1. You can still contour your face with this, depending maybe on your skin tone. Definitely, like this is let me open it so that you can see what I mean. Okay, this is the darkest shade chocolate on this palette. This is the darkest shade. Yeah, so like for me, I use this right here. I use this to contour my face and my nose. Yes, so you can use this to contour your face as well. Yes, and after that, I go in with my blush. You need blush. It gives this warmth to your face. Like, it brings the whole makeup look alive. Yes, so this is what this looks like. This is V Beauty products. V Beauty Girls Night Out 2 blush palette. Well, this is what it looks like. Though I love this and this here. Am I getting it? Yes. This Davies eye. This is 100 naira. Like, this is the cheapest. Yeah, this is the cheapest among makeup products. This is the cheapest. Lest I forget, you also need an eyeliner. Yeah, black eyeliner for your eyelid. Magic lipstick. I got it. I don't know why. I just love getting palettes for myself and makeup work. So eye magic. Set your face. This is a setting spray. Kiss Beauty setting spray. I got this for 2,000 naira. For 2,000 naira, yes. This is a setting spray. Oh, setting spray. And this is a finishing spray. This is a View Beauty finishing spray. Yes. Spray it after your makeup. You spray this first before this. Oh, 5 gets good sets of brush. Yes, because these are the things you need for the makeup application. And beauty sponge. Yeah, we did a beauty sponge. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah. And at this point, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, please. Thank you for watching. Bye.